Hi, here are two Royal Quite Deluxe QDR. This one is, I think, 1952. This one, 1954. It started the AG, serial number started with the AG. This one started with the RA, means they made this one 1953. This one they start to manufacture. This one is 1950. So both of the 1950s. The top 10 recommendation for the writers. This is one of them, the Royal QDL. Usually we said just the QDL, Royal QDL. There are a couple difference. Main difference is around here. Between 1950 to 1950 to 1953, they are like this logo, the chrome, and then key around here like this. After that, they gone the chrome, the outside this design. No more, they gone. And then also they put this button for the open the cover. See, yeah. So the someone recommend, the mention about this. One of the not good thing. Sometimes if we hit the keys hard, then it's open. But I think that's not the original problem, because a lot of people doesn't realize this button to open the cover, so they try to open without push, then make maybe that happen. So I think originally it will be okay, but I'm not sure. This one is okay, even though hit hard, it doesn't open without push this button. This is a ribbon direction, and then there is a touch control here. This one touch control here same, but ribbon direction is different. This is the color, and then this is ribbon direction here, this one, and then control, but there is no ribbon direction here because they put the button outside of the cover. So that's the another difference. The same this one, but this is a different. And then front design, no more the outside this one, change it, and then this like this one is also different. And then another difference is this around here. This is the old version, then the new version has red the line to see the paper adjustment. And then also for the tab setup, this is just the margin setup. You can use this button for to set up the margin, or also you can use this one. But this one, no more that kind of thing. Just only the matching margin button here. Instead of the margin setup, they have tab stops put here. Just press and slice, something like that, right? Press and slice. This was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tap stop, but we cannot set up or clear or change the tap from the top, this one. In order to do that, you should go the behind. I will turn this one, okay? Okay. In the behind, the cross, yeah. So 5 tap stops. So same thing, press and then slice like this for tap step. That's the difference. Let's look at this guy's behind. Okay. Okay. And you see the difference, right? Yeah. This one we cannot touch any tap stops, right? But this one we can do that. And then I'll show you the how to set up the margin, to both. This one I told you 2-way, right? Just open, and then you can press and then slice, right, for margin setup. Or whatever you want to set up the margin, move to the carriage around that, and then just push it. Press this button, then it can move from here to here, because we are here, right? Let's see. See? Yeah, moving. Because it's not clean, so little bit slow, but we see the inside there is a spring, right? If press this button, that means release some around here, so it move to the some point because of this spring power. See? Yeah, exactly same this one, but this one there is no like a manual setup. So, but for example, okay, for this one, you wanna set up here for the left margin. Just push it, then it went there, set up, so we cannot move no more. So just after that, yeah, that's the. Then how can I move to margin from here to here? Just press this button and then move like this, and then delete that button. Then we set up the margin here. So let's see. Then move. See? Yeah. Exactly same the right side. So that's even though we have the sign of around here for the margin setup, it's exactly the same with the Hermes 3000. But Hermes has the around here the sign for the margin indicator, something like that. But this one there is no that kind of a sign, but the function works exactly the same. Okay. So this one was recommended for the lighters, means we can use it daily. I think one of the best, the feeling of the touch, the out of 10, it's a very good feeling. It's same, but little bit sound is different, but the same feeling. They recommended the 1950s for the daily use. This one, there are early version also. It's like before 1948, 49. There is a different design, but this is, I mean, this model, this design was recommended for the daily use for the writers. And then also this one is a little bit special because it has this one. Let's look at this one and then this one. Okay, if I change this, they are turned like this, right? This, you see this turning, and then this one, and then two, something like that. To control the this one, it's like more harder or a little bit lower, so feel a little bit different to touch the keys. So this is connected to each other. Okay, yeah, this is the little bit rarer version. But after I think 1 year or 2 years, they manufacture this one with this one, but especially just the serial number is RA. Just RA model has this, some of them. So that's the one of the unique stuff. Okay, and then let's. I already tested using this one, like this, and then I put the paper here, and then I test. Okay, wait a minute. I use the one hand. So at the end of the margin, that's why we can delete. Very clear, and then yeah, it's looks good, right? It's 19. It was manufactured in 1954. Still beautiful, right? Yeah, I like this one better for the printing, but the design front, this style, I like this style better. But also this is a pencil, just push it open. Yeah, this day I checked the price, the sale average price. The local, the very good condition, around 80 to 112, something like that. But the online, little bit expensive. And then also for this design, there are a lot of pencil, like color of the body. They are like average, like around 300, little bit more pencil one. Red, something like that, and then maybe over $300. So, but like this, a little bit different color. This is a little bit darker than this. This is a little bit light, right? White. Yeah. Like this style, I think we can easily buy like. Around $100, even though it's a perfect condition, still you can buy like at most maybe 120, 100, $20. Yeah, something like that. Okay, I recommended this typewriter for the daily use. It's very good. Feeling is very good, especially this one. The touch is better, but still this one little bit sound is soft, but yeah, especially the carriage movement. It's like very beautiful. See. You can hear anything with the release button. If you move this one, same thing. It's I need more space for test, right? A little bit. This one is you can hear something, but this one, no, nothing. Almost like yeah, very smooth the slide, right? Yeah, so I like both. All right, thank you for watching.